From these tiny seedlings, we begin the meticulous process of growing high-quality tobacco. Let's take a closer look at how it works.
This crop is thriving. We monitor the leaf development closely to ensure the highest quality before the harvest begins.
The planting speed is consistent at 98 seeds per minute.
And the viability rate from batch B is holding steady.
Look at the uniformity of the petals on this one.
Noted. We're seeing good resistance here. The color on these is excellent.
Yes, the pollination looks very strong this season. See how the yellowing is progressing here. We should schedule the next harvest for early next week.
I agree. They look ready. The leaves at the top here are looking good.
They are definitely ready. We should prioritize this section for the next harvest round.
Looks like we processed 5 tons yesterday.
That's a new record for the season, Supervisor.
All right, lift together now. We got it.
We got it.
Take it straight inside to the drying area.
The upper rows are nearly ready for processing.
Yes, the moisture content looks consistent.
Okay, easy now. Watch your side. Lift on 3. Got it. Clear the pallet.
Keep it steady now. Okay, bring the next one up. Watch your step inside.
Got it.
As you can see, the moisture level is holding steady at 0.88.
Excellent. The consistency looks perfect for the next stage.
check the seal on this one.
Ah, yes, it's faulty. Right, into the bin.
Put the large ones on the bottom left.
Okay, I got it. Watch the shrink wrap on that one.
All right, that's $7.50.
Here you go.
And here's your change. Have a good one.
That will be $12.50. And here's your receipt and package.
Thank you very much.
Did you find everything okay?
That will be $53.
Here you are.
And your total is $33.30.
Việc chấp sinh nước kiện với thông bọt xịn. Nhưng chúng ta cũng play on pain. Which all bộ sạch đóng xịn đi. So keep talking on don't go them book.
We finalized the designs for the new SKUs. The feedback on the packaging has been overwhelmingly positive, particularly the blue one. If we look at the data on the screen, the blue packaging clearly outperforms the others in market tests.
I agree. The texture on this sample feels... If we look at the Q3 projections, the market share increases significantly.
Remember to recycle and share this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's incredible what we do here every day. If you're impressed by the scale, make sure to subscribe and share this video with your network.